my channel and welcome to today's video. Now, there are some ingredients out there that you can actually use on your skin on a regular that is going to help you to get rid of unwanted body hair. I am going to show you how you could take a very popular ingredient, mix it together to create a paste that when used on your skin wherever you have unwanted body hair, it's going to help to get rid of the hair really fast. Once you use it on the regular, that is. So guess what, guys? If you have unwanted body hair, whether it is on your face, your chin, your neck, you're down, come with me to the kitchen and I'll show you how to whip this up in no time. I also will show you how to use this amazing body hair remover on your skin for best result. For this recipe, I'm going to be using some lemon. So to begin, I'm going to juice my lemon. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and citric acid, which help to slow hair growth. The vitamin C in lemon juice will provide your skin with the nutrients needed to produce collagen and elastin. It is one of the best ways to get rid of body hair while keeping your skin healthy. So now that I'm done juicing, the next step is to get rid of the seeds. And you can also squeeze your lemon and store the juice in the refrigerator for about 5 to 7 days. Other than that, fresh lemon is best. For this recipe, you can also choose to use some lemon zest. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to put this to the side and I'm going to introduce our next ingredient. I'm going to use some turmeric. I'm using some rose water, some baking soda or sodium bicarbonate, and a little bit of water. You're also going to need a bottle for storing the treatment. So now we're going to put this treatment together. I'm going to use a half a teaspoon turmeric powder. If you have fresh turmeric root, just grate it and juice it. It is even more better. I'm using a tablespoon of baking soda. Remember that baking soda is sodium bicarbonate or bicarbonate of soda, not baking powder. Do not use baking powder in this recipe. Use baking soda, sodium bicarbonate. We're going to mix these two together. And I'm adding a tablespoon of water to this. And I'm mixing a nice little paste with this. Now I chose to use water to mix this with. However, there are many other things that you could use to substitute the water. You can choose to use some potato juice. You can choose to use some green tea. You could even choose to use some lime, some grapefruit juice in this recipe. So just use whatever you have at hand where the liquid is concerned, since the most important ingredient is the turmeric powder. Okay, so now let's move on. This. Next, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of rose water. Rose water helps maintain the skin pH balance and also controls excess oil. Rose water has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce the redness of irritated skin after shaving. Due to the estrogen-like properties it possesses, rose water helps clean pores and tone the skin. Now let's move on to our next ingredient, which is the lemon juice. And I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of the lemon juice. If you're using lime in this recipe, go ahead and use the same amount, 2 tablespoons. You can even choose to use some apple cider vinegar instead of the lemon juice. And we're going to give this a nice stir. Just keep stirring until the froth goes away, and that's when you know it's ready. Baking soda is sodium bicarbonate, a natural substance that is crystalline but often appears as a fine powder. This alkaline substance has antibacterial, antifungal, antiseptic, and anti-inflammatory properties. It also helps to break down hair follicles and prevent future hair growth. Just keep stirring. And now this is ready. You can store it in your refrigerator just like this. You can also choose to pour it in a spray bottle for easier application. Turmeric has antibacterial, antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and antiseptic properties. It helps to inhibit the hair growth with its amazing properties. Regular usage will discourage the hair growth on your body, such as the pubic and underarm area, when used regularly. And now this is done, and I'm just going to cover. If you are not using a spray bottle, that's okay. And our treatment is ready. So now let me show you how to use. Remember to shake the bottle before you use it. Now, if you have it in a spray bottle, you can choose to just spray it on the pubic area. Okay? And you could rub it in, massage it in, and you're going to leave it there for about 30 minutes and then you rinse off. If you do not have a spray bottle, you're going to use this on a cotton pad. Just soak your cotton pad and rub it on the area. Now remember, this is going to help with slowing down the growth of the hair. So this is best used after shaving. So once you finish shaving, now remember it's going to give you a little sting because of the lemon, but that's okay because lemon have antiseptic and antibacterial properties. So that is really, really great after shaving. You're going to apply to the area, leave it for about 30 minutes, rinse off, and before you know it, you're going to notice that you shave much less, and eventually you're going to notice much less hair on that area. Okay? So there you have it. Give it a try. Use it for a month or two and come back, guys, and leave your comment. Those I really appreciate because I really want to know how well this is working for you and also what you think about this wonderful combination. Now, if there's anything that you could add to this remedy, feel free to comment it below. And if you have a remedy that you use to get rid of unwanted body hair, feel free to leave it in the description box. Feel free to leave the comment below. Okay, thank you all for watching. Oh, before you go, I have one question for you. Do you think this combination is really effective in removing body hair? Comment. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.